So how do you find Italy's magic without feeling trampled? Take heart. This is when you rent a car. And if you're bullish on avoiding crowds, drive past and beyond the big-name hill towns. The provinces of Tuscany and Umbria are breathtakingly rural, historic, and abundant. Part of the magic is discovering a village on your own. Just south of Siena lies the region of Valdorcia. One look at the lush vineyards and you feel wine tasting in the air. The upscale wine Brunello di Montalcino is the pride of the fortified town. Castello Bonfi Winery, once an 11th century fortress, sits on 7,000 acres high above Montalcino and provides a full range of Tuscan wines. Both Brunello and Chianti wines stem from the Sangiovese grape. In Tuscany, you can tour a winery at almost every turn, and it's a lively way to learn about wine and to meet locals.
In fact, the name of Sangiovese means blood of Zeus.
Of Zeus?
Zeus.
I did not know that Sangiovese meant blood of Zeus.
Yeah.
Naturally, food tasting goes along with wine tasting. One must always make time for a Tuscan meal.
Thank you so much for having me. Castello Bonfi.